We're uploading our photo using the Upload Image section. For this image, we select the Magic Expand mode and continue. We click on the Eraser button to move on to the brushing step. We can adjust the brush size as needed, increasing or decreasing it depending on the area we're working on. One important thing to keep in mind while brushing: avoid touching the product, in this case, the glasses placed on the mannequin. Make sure to leave a bit of distance from them. We carefully brush over the mannequin's face, making sure not to leave any unbrushed spots. This helps the AI understand exactly which area we want to modify. If we accidentally brush too close to the glasses, as shown here, we can undo the step and brush again without touching them. That's because brushing over the product might cause the AI to alter its appearance, which we want to avoid. To make it easier to brush around small or detailed areas, it helps to reduce the brush size. On the new screen, we need to scale and position our photo within the shown area. As you can see, we can adjust the size freely to set the desired scale for the image. Here, we make sure to enlarge the face area in the photo. This helps the AI generate the model's face more accurately and without errors. Now it's time to write our prompt in the Enter Prompt field. Here, we need to describe the facial features of the AI model in detail. Since we'll be continuing with a female model, we include all the physical characteristics we want for that female model in this section. Now it's time to click Generate, and as you can see, the AI model's face has been created. Next, we click on Keep Editing to brush over the areas on the AI model's face that need to be revised. In some areas near the glasses, where we didn't brush too closely before, there are still leftover details from the previous model. We brush over these parts carefully. There's also a remnant from the previous mannequin in the neck area, and we brush that as well. Then, in the Enter Prompt section, we add the instructions clearly and take the shine. From the History tab, we copy the original prompt we used to create this model and paste it back into the prompt field. Finally, we click Apply to complete the step. Our revised output is ready. Now let's make a change to the hair. Since we like the center parting, we left that area unbrushed and brushed only the rest. This allows the AI to preserve the center-parted look while updating the rest of the hair. As you can see, we wrote a prompt related to the hairstyle. We also copied the original prompt we used for this model from the History tab and pasted it into the Enter Prompt box. Then, we clicked Apply. Yes, the hair has changed. But we can still see some light reflections on the glasses. So we brush over those areas again, targeting the parts we don't like. To prevent glare and sharpen the image, we write a new prompt and click Apply. Now our updated result has arrived. If we compare it to the previous version, you can clearly see that the light reflections are gone. Let's try another edit. We want the model's face to look longer and more oval, not too flat. We've marked the facial areas accordingly and added the new instruction to the prompt, along with the one we used earlier. Again, if you compare this to the previous result, you'll notice the difference. The face now looks more oval. You can download and use whichever version of the photo you like best.